Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a Captain America inspired tutorial. This was inspired by the new Marvel trailer for the Avengers End Game coming out. This is supposed to be like the greatest Marvel movie ever. Now that, what was the last one? Whatever the last Avengers was with Thanos. I cannot remember the name right now. I haven't even seen it yet because I'm so far behind on Marvel movies. I haven't seen Winter Soldier, but I saw Civil War, so I was really confused. So I have to watch Ant-Man and the Wasp and the new Spider-Man, and I have a ton of movies to watch before I can even think about watching the last Avengers. So in honor of me getting on my Marvel grind, I am doing Captain America, the first Avenger. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. With my base and everything already being done, I'm going to go into my contour palette because I'm going to do this a little differently today. And I'm going to start with the brightening powder. Using my contouring brush, I'm going to go into the contour powder, and we're going to start cutting out these cheekbones. I want them to be very, very sharp, so that's why I'm using this type of brush rather than the angled brush I usually use. And I start by kind of packing it and then working it around, and then we'll blend it. Now I'm going to use a brow liner and mark out the area that the mask is going to be in. So I'm going to start with going around the eyebrows, and we're going to make a straight diagonal line. Then it'll be a little flat edge here, kind of going with the tail of the eyebrow, and then it'll come down straight again, back in, so it's kind of square. Another small diagonal, and then you can bring it down to connect. Now I'm just going to draw the outline of where it's going to cut across my nose and go straight back to the hairline. I'm going to take two water activated paints. I have white and I have blue, and I'm going to mix them together to get as close of a blue as I can to my top, and then fill it all in. So now that we have the blue all laid down and it is drying, I'm going to fill in the A. I'm going to go through and give everything a nice crisp outline, but I'm not sure if I want to do it in white or black. Outlining, I just cleaned up the bottom of the mask by using water and a Q-tip to just go around the edges and create this kind of faded blue that creates almost a shadow or a reflection. So we are just going to finish up the mask by adding some white pigment to the A. This will also help even out the white's texture, since white water activated paint is very hard to get a smooth finish on. Now it's time to move on to the beauty makeup, and I'm going to start with the NYX White Eye Base as my primer. This all, I'm going in with the color Melody from the Makeup Revolution Flawless Resurrection 3 palette, and we're just going to lay this underneath the brow bone. And with this a light brown shade called Castle, I'm going to put this right in the crease using a e.l.f. contouring eye brush. Going into the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, I am going to take color Cherry Soda and pack this all over the lids. Keep in theme with the red, white, and blue, I'm going to add a little bit of Too Faced glitter glue to the center of my lid, and then pack on Chaotic glitter from from Sin Cosmetics. Under the lid, I'm going to go in with Neptune from Makeup Geek and smudge this under the lower lash line. On the cheeks, I'm going to add a little bit of Bella Bamba blush. But I'm only putting it on the part that the mask doesn't cover. So you kind of gotta wiggle it into place. I'm going to pop on some Ardell 129s with the Velour Lash Glue and blend them with the Monsieur Big mascara. I'm also going to put on a little bit of black liner from NYX. And the last step is lips. I'm going to put on a liquid red lipstick. This is Kitten Heels from NYX, and I'm going to pop some Stila gloss over top in Jolly. Oh, I'm sorry, Holly. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!